Hello guys, in this video I'll show you 2 ways to easily and quickly lace up your sneakers. Let's get started. The first method. Take the 2 ends of the laces and cross them. Thread one end of the lace underneath, tighten the laces. Take the right end of the lace and make a loop. Wrap the other lace around it and pull it through the loop to form a bow. Tighten the bow. The second method. Cross the 2 ends of the lace and thread one underneath the other, tightening the knot. Make 2 equal loops with both ends of the lace, like rabbit ears. Cross these loops over each other. Thread one loop under the other and pull it through the circle. Pull both loops ears to tighten the bow.